In today's video, I'm going to give you my perfect recipe for the cream that can help you a lot with your skin, especially if you have dry skin. This special recipe is going to help you a lot. Healing essential oils come together with nourishing emollients in this soothing body cream. Makes 30 doses. 1 cup coconut oil, 1 cup cocoa butter, 1/2 cup jojoba oil, 1/2 cup avocado oil, 30 drops lavender essential oil, 30 drops geranium essential oil. Procedure: in a large saucepan, combine the coconut oil, cocoa butter, jojoba oil and avocado oil over low to medium-low heat. Warm just until the coconut butter melts. Mix thoroughly and remove from the heat. Add the lavender and geranium essential oil and blend thoroughly. Pour the mixtures in the wide mouth container. Pour the mixtures in the wide mouth container and allow the body cream to cool completely before capping. Label and date the container. Store in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months. By putting the cream in a jar and refrigerating what is being used, its shelf life extends over the 1 year. And if you have dry, problematic skin, you apply this special cream on your body 1 to 2 times daily. Usually, I will recommend you after the shower, maybe late at night before go to sleep, apply this perfect cream, and you will see perfect result. For healthy and dry skin is going to remove in very natural way. Before we continue with the show, my dear viewers, I want to recommend you my new book that is called Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1. It's officially on sale in Croatian and English. You can buy the book now through mariolab.hr website. In the book, you will learn more about the rich history of the use of plant in healing. You will learn how to grow your own medicinal plants, discover how to properly use natural medicine, with advice on dosage, possible side effects, and drug interaction. Miracle, a Natural Remedies Part 1 is an ideal guide to using natural medicine in the fight against the worst diseases of modern world in very natural way. If you want to learn a lot more about natural remedies that can help you a lot with your skin problems, watch my next video right here.